What's good in the hood? Doing a little test today. Working on some new stuff. Just need to do a little test to see how this looks live on YouTube. We got a stock that's up over 1,000% right now, 1,300%. How's that microphone sound? How are we sounding? Everybody's, you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Come on, let's go. Give me a mic check here, people. Let's go. What's good? Good. All right. Perfect. Everything else looks good. Well, like I said, we're just doing a test here, just kind of testing out some stuff. Letting you guys, if you haven't seen ACY going from $5 this morning to $38, people. What is happening? What's happening? It's insane. Insane. Yes, it will likely dump at some point here. I would put money on that. Testing out, like I said, testing out this new thingy-majiggy. Trying to make the stream a little bit cooler for you guys. See if the chat box works. I always have issues with this thing not working. It still doesn't work. See, like it doesn't show the chat box on the thing. It's weird. How do I get this to set up? How do I get it to work? ACY to the moon, baby, to the moon. Is it working? I think it's working. Why is I don't like the background though. You guys, I don't like that blue. You can't really see the type. See if I can change that somehow. Background color. We'll do black. I think would be better, right? Can't get it to work. This thing is really silly. Really silly. Really silly. Did you guys see this thing? Oh, look at this. Check this out. Right now. Check this thing out, people. ACY to the moon. To the moon. It went to the moon. And guess who talked about it when it was only $11? $11. Now it's $38. Beautiful. Just beautiful. What are you guys trading? What's hot? Let's look at some stocks. Like I said, I'm just testing out this this new thingy today, seeing how it looks. Huh. I don't get why won't this work? See, I can see the text. We can't really, it doesn't show up very well in the background there. Weird. I wouldn't call this a cheesy bulletproof vest. It's a plate carrier. Okay, it's a little bit different than a bulletproof vest. It's a plate carrier. You put the bulletproof plate carrier into it. It just came in the mail, and I just wanted to try it on. And I thought it'd be funny to wear it during the live stream because it's a battleground out here, people. It's a battleground. We're always loaded. We're always ready. Always. Let's go. ACY. Boom, baby. Let's go. How much have I made on ACY? Well, it's the $1 million question, isn't it? Look at this thing, though. Check it out. Check out this. Check out this chart. This is the, what, 5-minute chart? Look at the 1-minute chart. This is the 1-minute chart. Look at the 1-minute chart on this, guys. At 10:15, it starts booming, 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 booming. Gets up here to $15. Goes from $15 to $17.50. From $18.75 to these are literally, guys, these are 1-minute candles. I mean, Are you kidding me? But are you kidding me? Oh my, this computer right now is really giving me issues, people. Show title. Yes, show it. ACY, 1 minute chart there. Up to the $38 area. Insane. Like I said, these are 1 minute candles. You'd have to trade. Let's see if we can like go to like do they have can I do 30 seconds on this? I don't know if you can do 30 seconds on DAS. Yeah, I think 1 minute's the lowest, right? But look at that thing. Up there to $38. ACY today, this morning, down there at 10:15 at the $6.30 area. Now up there to $38. Pretty insane. Pretty insane, I would say. Definitely insane. Trying to work on some stuff here. Like I said, I'm just testing out. I got this working on some new stuff with the live streams. We're going to be doing a lot more live streams in 2021. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. I'm excited for 2021. I'm excited to get into the live streams. $32 to $38 in 5 seconds. That's amazing. What do I think about ACY? Well, at this point, I would say that it's a little overextended. It's up 1,300%. 1,300%, people. It's madness. Probably gonna be hard to get shares to borrow. There's only 1 million shares in the float here on ACY. You got 1 million shares to float. It's a micro float, basically. I don't even know what the news is on this thing today. I don't see any news. Do you guys see any news? Yeah, I don't really see any news on ACY. There was a little pump article that came out this morning, but nothing really too crazy here. Interesting. Very interesting. I would say this is just a major pump and dump at this point. But definitely, yeah, I don't think I'd be buying at the $38 area. You can see earlier, when it was down here at the $12 area, $11 area, it wasn't as dangerous. Obviously, it was still dangerous, but you can see how we had a little bit of this overall, trend there, just kind of pushing up, bouncing off that $10, $11 area multiple times, and then rallying up there to $38. Pretty insane, if you ask me, I would say. Pretty insane. If you would ask me, I would say that it's pretty insane. What else we got moving today? GRNQ was a mover. It's got a huge, bigger float, though. It's got 16 million shares in the float. GRNQ this morning, spiking up here out of the gates, pre-market at $8.20, going from $1.30 up there to $3.10, pulling back down there to the $2.20 area. And what else we got? BTT, BTBT, pushing up there to the $10 area this morning, rallying up there to $8 out of open, pulling back to the $7 area, and then now squeezing up there to $10. So BT has 32 million shares in the float, so it's a bigger float than what we were looking at earlier with that stuff. So interesting, very interesting. I'm not sure when they're going to reopen ACY yet. ACY at the 3804 area. We'll see what happens there. But again, just kind of testing out, going through here, and going through, trying to get this platform thing. I don't really love it. I don't really know what to do exactly here. REHE. What do I think about REHE? It gapped up. What did it get? Halted and then gapped up here. $6. Bounce right now, trying to push back above $7. right now. RHE had a high on this candle. Looking a little top heavy right now, boys. Looking a little top heavy there. Let's see if it can get back above $7 here and squeeze up there. Try to get above $8. Looking at the daily chart right now. Look at this thing. From $1.75 this morning up there to almost $8 so far. Big old boner candle there. Big old boner candle there. It's pretty wild. Back above 7 now. See if it can squeeze above 8 here. Volume increasing. Volume coming up here. What's the float on this thing? RHE got a 1.5 million share float. So RHE kind of riding the hype train right now. Going to the moon. Up there to $8. RIOT. What are you guys so excited about Riot for? I don't know if I'd get so excited just yet. Riot riding the Bitcoin train. I feel like if you were gonna, if you really want exposure to Bitcoin, I don't know. I don't think buying Riot would be the best bet. I don't know. What? What do I think about OCGN? OCGN. What do I think? Let's look. Also gapping up, maybe a reverse split recently, or just a gap up. I think a reverse split probably. Up there to $3. That's up 22% on the day right now, but just selling off here and not really getting the bounce. Not getting the bounce at all. She's just pulling back there. RHE getting halted now. We just talked about it when it was at a $7 up there to $8.72. Nice. RHE getting halted there. BT pulling back there, $9 area. And right now, looks like ACY is going to be halted for a little bit. Going to be halted for a little bit here. RHE's up 300% on the day right now. It's up 438% right now, actually. That's what I'm talking about. Well, for some reason, my trade ideas got paused. Okay, we're back. Let's go. All right. Like I said, I just wanted to test out this new platform and stuff really quickly, and working on some new live stream stuff for next year, 2021. Going big here on the channel. I'm not really sure why this screen. So there's a chat box on the screen. Doesn't really show anything. Got to figure this out somehow. Figure it out. My feet are killing me right now. That's the problem with doing these live streams standing it. I got to wear like tennis shoes or something. Test. We're working. It's working. But the chat box is not really looking that good. That's looking a little bit better now. But I mean, can you guys read the chat box? Can you guys read the chat box on your screen? You know, like the screen that you're seeing on YouTube? Because it's hard for me to see it on my... What do you guys think? You like the chat box? Can somebody donate like $1 really quickly? If you could donate $1 really quickly, I just want to see if the donation thing actually works. There should be like an alert for the donations. If you donate $1, I'll send you $10. So, I don't know. Donate $1 and then I'll send you $10 on Venmo. I know it sounds crazy, but I need to test it out somehow. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm going to try to change the chat box colors, I guess, later on. It won't let me change it right now. What's good? RHE's halted right now. You can see RHE up there to 872 getting halted right now. And the big mover of the day, or the insane mover of the day, ACY this morning going from $11, well, going from $5 here up there to $38 now and getting halted there. Multiple halts. This is a 1 minute chart, guys. This thing went from $15 to $38. Well, it got halted a few times along the way, but these are 1 minute candles. So, I mean, it happened pretty damn quickly. If you look at the 5 minute, you probably see a little bit better. So this candle opened at 10:45, and then this candle up at 11. So in 15 minutes, the stock went from $15 to $38 in 15 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of momentum I'm talking about, people. I want to see action. I want to see volatility. I want to see momentum. Looking at the scanner, keeping an eye on the scanner, see if anything else pops up. RHE should be reopening from the halt soon. 872 right now. Pushing up there, 872 area. Insane. ACY is probably going to be halted for a while. A lot of times when a stock goes up 1,000% in a day, they end up getting halted, and yeah, it could not be good. ATIF, it's up 134% on the day right now. Looking at the 5-minute chart here, this morning going from 80 cents up there to $1.65 right now. Looking at the bigger picture here, resistance-wise, pushing above that resistance there at the $1.60 area. Let's just put a line there so we know that it's going on. After that, we've got the $2 area really as the next resistance here on ATIF. So, okay. I'm interested to see what RHE does at this point. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to short ACY anywhere. Yeah, might be a hard one to find shares to short. RHE, it got halted. What it got halted at 11:33. It should be reopening here in about a minute, 2 minutes. Why am I wearing a vest? Well, because I'm crazy, okay? No, it just came in the mail. I just put it on just to test it out. Relax, everybody. Gosh. Trust me, I'm not worried about Raging Bull. If you know what I mean. I'm not worried. I'm good to go. There we go. RHE reopening here from the halt. Going from $9 up there to $11 now. And it's going to get halted again here. Oh my gosh. Looks like RHE gets halted again here at the 1080 area. I got so many guns. So many guns, so little time. So many guns, so little time. BB gun. Got that 9mm BB gun. So, RHE going from that $9 reopening on the halt up there at 1080 now. Do I play airsoft? No, these are real guns, guys. This is not an airsoft gun. This is real. It's real. ACY still halted here. Looking at the scanner, see what else is popping off. What's good? Just letting you guys know that just doing this really quickly, making a little test out for the live stream. We're gonna be live a lot more in 2021. We'll be live. We'll be live next next Monday. So in a week from now. So make sure you mark your calendars. We're gonna be doing it. I don't really want to trade. What is it? On the 1st? Yeah, market's gonna be closed on New Year's Day, right? So we'll be back here January 4th. January 4th, baby. So doing it live every morning. I don't want to say every morning, but I'm gonna try to do for the first month of January. I'm gonna try to go live every morning. I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna try to restrain myself from going out and doing fun things, and I'm gonna go live on YouTube. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You definitely are gonna want to tune into this madness. So ACY, look at this thing from the $10 area up there to 38. RHE getting halted here up there to 1080 now. Could this be another type of move here? RHE, looking at the float, we got 1.5 million shares in the float. RHE is Regional Health Properties. It's an investment pool and fund. Looking at the news, I don't really see any news there on this right now, so we'll see what happens. Hey, Tim is up $700. Did that go? See, it doesn't work. I don't understand why How do I make my OBS show the donations? I'm confused. Who he hold a weapon get killed by the same? What does that mean? Is that some kind of Chinese proverb? I'm confused. Who he hold a weapon get killed by the same? Okay. Well, I like it. I like your theory there. That's a good theory in theory. Y'all seen the price of Bitcoin lately? The price of Bitcoin $27,100. $27,100 on the price of Bitcoin. We talked about Bitcoin back in March when it was what, $5,000-$6,000 here on the channel. Talked about it when it was 10,000. Talked about it when it was 15,000. And well, now it's 27,000. Don't worry, guys. It's okay. We're not in a battle zone right now. Just relax. Everyone's okay. Everything's okay, people. RHE, it's halted here. It got halted. What it got halted at? RHE got halted at. Why does this thing not show up? I don't know. It got halted. This candle opened 11:38. It's currently, it's got another 5 minutes. So we got another 2 minutes here for RHE to open. The way I like to live my life is train for the worst, be ready for everything, you know? Just everything, every day, all the time. All the time. Check out, you guys got to see this though. Check this out. Y'all ever seen that movie? Y'all ever seen that movie, the aliens in Africa? Look at this thing. It's crazy. Got the red dot on there. It's crazy. It's crazy. America, baby. I've been getting crazy with guns lately. Here we go. RHE open up 1250 now. No, I'm not a prepper. I go to the gun range because it's fun to shoot guns. RHE up there at 1250. Trying to go for that $13 break. Can it go all the way here? Can we get another supernova move? Let's see what happens. Pulling back now. Looking at the 1 minute chart, by the way. And it's up 650% right now. RHE's up 650% this morning. Starting out, what, $11? 11 o'clock, it was at $2.93. So, crazy. Insane. The way I would play this if I was going to play RHE is I'd be watching that $11 area very closely. If $11 can't hold, it could be a waterfall move to the downside and then another big halt to the downside. So, if you are trading this, I would definitely keep a close eye on that $11 area. That was where this previous candle was opening and closing out there. So, let's see if it'll push above 13 here. And did it. Ooh, almost. 1302 so far as a high. Look at that volatility, baby. Look at that volatility here. Next candle opening here. Let's see if that candle can hold 12 and squeeze above 13 here. Oh, yeah, Demo Ranch is great. 1350 now on RHE. It's still squeezing, holding that $11 area. Like I said, up there at a 14 now. It's going probably for the next halt. I don't even know where the next halt level is going to be right now, but I would say probably like $15, $16 area would be the next halt. We're up 790 now. 790%. 1450 on RHE for a high so far. Going for the $15 break now. RHE going all the way, people. $15 incoming. 15.50 now. It's happening. History is being made right now. Oh my gosh. I mean, I wouldn't say that that people are focused on guns. I just enjoy going out to the gun range and doing, fun stuff. I go fishing, I shoot guns. I do, yeah, like that's kind of my lifestyle. It's not that I'm like obsessed with guns. It's just that it's fun. I think it's fun. I don't know. Up there to $16 now. Pulling, look at that drop. Guys, oh! Good thing I'm wearing this vest right now because someone just got headshotted, murdered. Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Guys, this is exactly why you don't chase these crazy stocks. You don't do it. You know what I mean? Don't chase crazy madness stocks. Because this is what happens. Woo! That thing dropped from $15 to $10.50. And here is exactly what happens, right? Let's say you bought at $15 looking for the break over 16, and you're like, well, I'm gonna risk $100, I'm gonna get out at 14, and then all of a sudden it drops to $10.51. You just blew up your account. Like you literally just take a nuclear bomb and just blew up your account. So don't go chasing waterfalls. I'll give you one advice in life. Just don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't do it. Don't do it, baby. Oh my gosh. That honestly hurt me. It hurt me on the inside. It made me feel a little sad. Sad for that action. Wow. I hope none of you guys were buying that thing. Right? None of you guys are that dumb. Buy the dip, sell the rip, baby. RHE, gosh. That's a good one right there. Here's the issue too is, let's say you were shorting, right? Let's say you were shorting RHE and it squeezes up on you and it goes to $50, you get blown up. And then you're trying to then get long on it. It's like, you just get murdered both ways, top to bottom. It ain't good. Anyone short ACY. P-Man short ACY at the $35 area. Where'd you get shares of short at? Who has shares of short? Not shortable. I've been making trades all day, every day. That's what people don't understand is I don't make videos on YouTube like a lot of YouTubers because I want to brag about how good of a day trader I am. I make videos on YouTube because I just want to have fun and I want to brag and make people mad and then get more revenue. Because the one thing that I've learned is if I make videos on YouTube of I make $5,000 in one day. That video won't get as many views as the video about Ross. Just to be honest here. So it's like, why even try anymore? Just drama, baby. Drama. What did I end up getting for Christmas? I got a lot of good stuff, man. I got a couple new guns. I got this new plate carrier. Yeah, we're ready. Top to bottom, baby. Top to bottom. All the way up. I'm all the way. I want to see what happens here with RHE now. There at the 1050 area when it gets reopened. Should be like a 5-minute halt. When this thing got closed at, we'll say at 11, at 11:50. So at 11. Oh, it's halted because of news. Oh gosh. RHE is halted because of news. That is never not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Let me look. Let's see what the code is. Trading halt codes. Or trading halts. All right, so current trading halts. We got RHE. It's halted. It says M. It was halted at 11:47 with an M, which M is, I'm pretty sure it's just volatility, right? Yeah, M. Where's M at? What the fuck? Yeah, volatility. So I don't know why. It's weird. It's almost like it got halted at 47. Yeah, that's weird. So RHE got halted at 10:47, and then my trade ideas is showing that it got halted again at 10:50, but with pending news, which it doesn't show up on NASDAQ's website. Huh. We'll see what happens if it's going to reopen. It got halted at 11:47:23. So it should be reopening here like in the next 2 or 3 seconds. Love from India. Hey, what's up? India. I like India. I've never been to India, but maybe one day I'll go to India. I heard it's a really nice place to explore. Maybe go to like the Alps. Go live with some monks. Are the Alps in India? I think the Alps are in India. No, the Alps are not in India. The Alps are in France. What's the big mountain range that's in India? I'm an idiot. That's the great thing about being live on YouTube is you can't edit out the stupid things that you say. The Alps. God. Wait, I think is Mount Everest is in India, right? The Himalayas. The Himalayas. There we go. That's the one we were talking about. Ross definitely knows where the Alps are. Definitely. Nepal. That's where I need to go. I need to go to Nepal, and I need to have a spiritual awakening. I'm going to Nepal with the Sherpas. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nepal. I'm doing it. Something's going on here with RHE, guys. Something is not good. I think it got halted with actual news pending. So, this could be bad. Man, this thing is crazy. I like it. I'm just going to wear this vest everywhere I go now because I got people out there trying to take me down. Ready for action, baby. I know, guys. You know, it's live. We're live on YouTube. There's no editing. It's all just happening. You know, I said the Alps. Yes. Obviously, it was not right. I was wrong, okay? I'll admit it. I don't know the difference between the Alps. I don't know the difference between the Alps and the Himalayas, okay? Don't blame me. Blame my education. Florida, education is terrible. Do I know who Steven Dux is? Come on. That's not a real question, is it? I need to get one of those pads. You know, like one of those pads for the floor that make the floor nice and soft. Because my feet are literally killing me standing here because my floor is like concrete, you know, and just, ow. I live in South Florida, Fort Lauderdale. I'll send you my address if you really want to know. Do I know who Tim Sykes is? You're trolling me now, aren't you? You're trolling me. I love that. You know, it was the best. Somebody said that Ross Cameron could not have learned how to trade from Tim Sykes because Tim Sykes only short sells. I'm like, what are you talking about? Where do these people come up with this stuff, man? They come up with some crazy ideas. Some real crazy ideas. So ACY still halted. RHE still halted. I think RHE is going to be halted for longer than a normal halt because it seems that they had another halt after it was halted. It was halted, and then it looks like it was maybe re-halted for some reason. I don't really know exactly why it is like that. So we'll see what happens. What other big movers do we have today? ATIF, I think that one's kind of done. ATIF pulling back. It popped up there to the $2 level. Look at that. This is the kind of stuff that I love, guys. Look at this. We identified that resistance area at the $2 area. It spiked up there to $2. It's not rocket science, guys. It's not fucking rocket science. It's magical. Look at that. Pulling back from the $2 area down there to $1.60 now on ATIF. This stock here, BWEN this morning went from $6 up there to the $8 area now. It's kind of slowly just going sideways now, kind of grinding it out there. GRNQ was a big mover this morning as well. BT still trying to squeeze up here, but a larger float. It's got 19 million shares traded so far, and up there to the 10-20 area now. We'll see what this does here. RHE still halted, but like I said, if it's not rocket science, why didn't you short it? There was no shares to short, number one. And I'm not actually trading right now. I'm just playing around, guys. We're testing out the live stream. Relax. Don't come at me, people. Don't come at me. God. Just here doing a little testing. Test, you know, making sure everything works. 2021, we're going to be live every morning in January at least. I'm going to make a promise to you guys. You know, I'm going to make a promise to you guys that I'm going to go live every morning. Every freaking morning. Even if I don't want to, I'm going to do it anyway, all right? I'm going to do it. I don't want to do it. I'd rather go and hang out with hot girls on boats and shoot guns and do fun stuff every day. But I'm going to do the live streams because people have been really upset. You know, they're really upset that I don't do the live streams anymore. And I'm not the type of person who wants people to hate me. I want them to love me, okay? I want everyone out there just to love me. You can't even define float, Patrick. You don't even know stock. No, I don't know anything. Oh gosh. What is stock? What is stock market? What is this? I thought we were playing a video game right now. What's a stock market? I'm confused. P-Man trying to get that money on daddy. P-Man, who had shares or short? You never answered that. Yeah, the boat floats. I like boats because they float. Okay. All right, so this was only supposed to be about a 5-minute. This was supposed to be a 5-minute test, and here we are. Ben, I don't see what you're typing anymore. You're blind. You're gone. You're out of here. You'll never go the distance. I'll never go the distance. I give up. I'm quitting. DPW pushing up there to the 480 area now. Squeezing. We got a squeezer. DPW has DPW's got 16 million shares in the float, up there to 485 now. And yeah, making some moves here. Look at ATIF bouncing from that previous $1.60 area resistance, pushing back up there 85 area now. RHE still halted. So everything looking a little crazy right now. Everything looking a little crazy. Crazy world we're living in. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. You know, I hope everyone out there had a good Christmas. And yeah, I'm excited for 2021. I'm over 2020. I'm ready for 2021. It's time to go to the moon, just like ACY did. 1,300% return. That's my goal. My goal for 2021 is over 1,000% return. All right, let's go. Let's do it together. Let's go all the way. Let's go all the way. I only made like 500 trades today. Not a lot, okay? I'm not gonna go in detail on every single trade that I made because it's just no point. Okay. I got a TikTok now too. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, it's kind of cool. TikTok doesn't like me though because they keep banning me because they don't like my gun content. It's not easy out here, people. It's not easy out here. Patrick, you ain't making 1,000% if you keep scalping the way you. I'm gonna keep. Don't tell me what to do, Kevin. I'm gonna do it. One penny every day. Okay, that's gonna be our goal. 1 penny every day. If we can just make 1 penny a day, we can do it. We can get to our 1,000% return on our 5-cent investment. It's gonna be good. Bitcoin, baby. Let me see how I'm looking today, percentage-wise. Okay, a little pullback on Bitcoin now. I'm up 5% on the trades so far today on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens later on. We need a big move here. I've been kind of definitely more short bias lately on Bitcoin, but it's been a rocky road up and down all around. We'll see what happens. But yeah, ACY up there to $38 now. I gotta move some of this stuff around. I can't see what you guys are saying half the time. But yeah. I don't think you'll ever make a trade that gives you more than 10 cents per share. True. One time I bought Bitcoin at 5,000, and then the price of Bitcoin went to 27,000. So I almost made 10 cents per trade. Almost 10 cents per trade. I was close. Just, you know. He's not trying to teach anyone. I'm not trying to teach anyone. I'm just here for the views, baby. The clicks. The clicks. The views. All right. I'm going to get out of here. We tested it. I think it works. I think it works. I'm not sure about this thing. I got to figure it out a little bit better. I'm just here to show off guns and bulletproof vests, baby. So there it is. All right. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I'll be live next Monday. Next Monday. Next Monday, I'll be live on YouTube. Oh, gosh. Your Ross videos are a joke. You call people fanboys, but you're on his jock heavily. Yeah, man. I like his jock. It's a nice jock. It's very tiny. It's very easy to hold. It's very easy to play with, you know. When I grew up, I want to be goofy and I want to look just like Ross. No one ever said. I'll never make 100. Ross makes more money in a minute than I've made in my entire life. You know, I've heard everything, guys. I've heard all the sayings. I'll see you next Monday. You know, next Monday. Let's go. Be here. Live on YouTube. We'll be doing some trading, doing some action, having some fun. All right? I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for snatches to keep coming back and keep putting money in my bank account. Snatches. Keep going. You know what I'm doing here? I'm basically shorting all of Ross Cameron's followers by making those videos. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying puts on Ross Cameron's followers. And they're paying off big time. They're paying off big time, baby. All right? I'll see you guys next Monday. We'll be here live on YouTube. If you don't like it, don't fucking watch. You know what I mean? Don't fucking watch.